Hey everyone, this is Dhruveen, and in this session I'm going to talk about one of the interesting thing about Power BI search. Now we can implement Power BI search in SharePoint homepage, Office.com and Bing. I'm going to explain you step-by-step procedure that how we can search your favorite Power BI reports or dashboard from your SharePoint homepage, Office.com and Bing. So stay tuned throughout the entire session, and now let's get started. So here I have opened my Office 365 account, and first of all we are going to search Power BI reports from our office.com. So first of all, go to your ellipsis and make sure that you open office.com. Now you just need to use this search option over here. Now let me just open up my Power BI service account over here, and let me just show you the report name over here. Now let's say here I have one of the workspace that attendance report. So I can search any attendance report from here. So let me just search for any attendance report over here. So I'm just typing here attendance, and now I'm just clicking on show more results. So you can see here it has added one Power BI section over here where we can check all the Power BI report that owned by me. So here you can see that the attendance report that we just searched here, and it is appearing here for me into Power BI section. So this is how we can search our Power BI reports or dashboard from office.com search page over here. Now let's move over to the second part of the session, which is how we can implement search for Power BI report from SharePoint homepage. So now let me just open up my SharePoint home. So what I have done here is I'm just clicking on this Humberbug icon, and now I'm just clicking on this SharePoint. So I'm just going to open this SharePoint. So I have opened my SharePoint homepage over here. Now let me just open up any of my site. So let's say I'm just opening my Leave application home site over here. Now let's say if I want to search for anything here, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to site content. Now I'm going to show you one quick tip over here. So let's say here we have opened view list.aspx page. So instead of that, let's directly go with search.aspx. So that will open your search page for that particular site. Now here you have one Power BI section over here. Now let's say I just wanted to search for my attendance report. So I'm just searching for attendance, and now I'm going over here into Power BI section, and let's say I am able to see my attendance report search result over here into SharePoint. So very simple and very straightforward. You just need to open your SharePoint homepage, go to any site, go to site contents and just change the URL by search.aspx, and you will be able to search the results over here. Also, one more important thing, let's say you just click on this SharePoint and this open your SharePoint homepage like this. Even here you can simply type search.aspx, and from here you can perform your Power BI search as well. So this will open your search page over here like this, and similar way here you also have the Power BI section available like this, and here also you just need to search the content for. So we just need to search any content for here, and the result will be displayed over here. Now let's talk about how we can search the Power BI reports within Bing search. So first of all, just open bing.com and log in with your organizational account. Now let's say I'm searching here for attendance. So what happened here is this is providing me the search result like this. Now we just need to click on work tab over here, and that will have one Power BI section available. So just click on that and you will be able to see all your Power BI reports into Microsoft Bing search over here. So this is how we can search for our Power BI reports and dashboard into office.com, SharePoint home and Bing search. So isn't that amazing? Now one more important thing, let's say if you do not want to allow your users to search from your office.com SharePoint homepage or Bing search, then how you can disable that search for Power BI? Let me explain you that step in detail over here. So first of all, go to your app.powerbi.com and open the admin center. To open the admin center, click on the ellipsis, then go to the setting and click on the admin portal. Here we would be having tenant setting option available. So just click on tenant setting from the left hand navigation. Now here we would be having integration setting section over here. So let me just go here on click on integration setting. Now here we have an option that use global search for Power BI. Now by default this is enabled for all the user, but if you disable this feature, meaning that you don't want to allow users to search from the global search of Microsoft 365 Bing Search and SharePoint Home. So this is how you can turn off the global search for Power BI. So hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, you can add your question in the comment section, or if you have request for any other videos for Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents or SharePoint, you can just add your request in the comment section. I would happy to hear from you. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. Also, if you wish to receive the daily notification about all my new videos on your WhatsApp number, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification about all my new videos on your WhatsApp number. Also, if you wish to listen different Power Platform related podcasts, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this particular page. Here you can listen your favorite Power Platform related podcast on your favorite podcast platform on Google Podcast, Google, Apple Podcast, Spotify and much more. This is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Goodbye.